You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this American professional football quarterback, New England Patriots. If you want to learn more names that are confusing from the NFL, stay tuned. You found the right channel. I've got many more videos for you. Drake, the American English pronunciation, Drake Maye. So it's just like the month of May. The E at the end is essentially silent. It's not May. It's just Drake Maye. Just ignore the E at the end. Drake Maye. How to pronounce Drake Maye. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.